Okay, last video for this section. This is about the alternate form. So we just talked about the form to calculate an equation derivative. This one is if we want to find the derivative at a specific point. So what this one is saying is C right here is a point that I know, say 10. So we're saying that we're starting at 10 and we're still increasing some x. So that sum x that would be up to another point. Now this is the point that I don't know. So this would be 10 plus some stuff. So if I wanted to still do my x2 minus x1, now I have this for x2, that for x1, and that's how I get this new denominator right here. Now, this point would be f of 10 in that example we were using. So this would be my new y1. And this, plugging in at some future point, would be my new y2. So that's where these come in. So it's the same y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, except now I have an actual point to plug in instead of just x. So we can see that with this example here. I'm plugging in f prime of 3, not just f prime of x. So let's plug this part in. If I want to find f prime of 3, I'm going to use this new definition. So that right there, that 3, that's my c. So I want the limit as x goes to 3, or c, of f of x minus f of c, c is 3, all over x minus c is 3. So let's start to simplify this. F of x is just my equation. F of 3 would be 3 cubed. So I have the limit as x goes to 3 of x cubed minus 27 all over x minus 3. If you don't remember what that is, then we can just do the actual long division. So this is saying numerator divided by denominator. So whatever I get in my answer here, I'm going to write as my answer here. Because I'm saying first divided by second gives me third. First divided by second gives me third. So let's go through and do some long division. I know it's your favorite. X times what is x cubed? Well, that's x squared. Now I'm going to distribute my x squared back in. So x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 3 is negative 3x squared. Go through and change the signs on everything. So those cancel, and I get 3x squared. Bring down my next one, and do it all over again. X times what is 3x squared? That's a 3x. Distribute it in. So 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. Change the signs on everything. So those cancel, and I have 9x. Bring down the last one, minus 27. Do it all over again one more time. X times what is 9x? So that's a plus 9. I'm going to distribute that in. So 9 times x is 9x. 9 times negative 3 is minus 27. Change the signs. And now both of those cancel out. And I have my third thing. So first divided by second equals third. First divided by second equals third. So now I just want to do the limit as x goes to 3 of this. Remember from last chapter, first thing we always do is just plug the limit in, see if it works, and go from there. So 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 9. So then I get 27. So f prime of 3, here let's write it out all official-like, would be 27. So that's saying at x equals 3, the slope is 27. So that's everything for this lesson. You can go ahead and get started on your homework.